Hey folks, John here. I'm just practicing some my characters. I really gotta learn how to write scripts. I really don't know how. I got some more props, but that I gotta fix. I gotta make so I can do this. So far, all I have is a couple old rulers, a hand drill, a hand screwdriver, electric, a couple pieces of ash wood. Do something with them. And a light bulb. Some tin kit. There's a little crap in here, boy. I got too much crap up in here. Says you got that problem? Cause I keep a lot of stuff. Yeah, this is only a test to see if I could get this calibrated right.